Welcome back, first graders. So it is Unit 8, Week 1, but it's Day 5, which means this is your last day of this week. We're going to practice our sounds, and we're going to try and think of the picture again. So I have I and K. What's my picture? Pink. I have AR. Now, this is a new one that we learned this week, so let me help you with this one. We say AR, R. Do you remember what picture we use for R? A car. Very good. What's my picture for this sound? Up. What about this glued sound? What picture do I remember for this glued sound? Lung. Now this is another new one, so I'm going to help you. O-R. Or. What picture do I use for or? A horn. Good job. Okay, I'm going to put some trick words up here. When it flies onto this screen, I want you to say it with me, and then we're going to play a game of Find Me at the end. This is a word from this week. Wood. Also. Very. 2. Put. Said. 2. Could. There. Were. Here. Who. Where. Are. When. Okay, I told you that we would play a game of Find Me. So what you're going to need is just your finger, and Mrs. Sperry's going to say a word, and you're going to try and touch it as fast as you can. Be careful with your screens, though. Don't hurt them. Okay, are you ready? Find also. You should be up here. Find R. That's down here. Find 2 like the number. Which one means the number 2? This one does. Good deal. Find said. All the way over here. Find here. Right here. Find where. Good deal. It's right down here. Find wood. That's the very first one. And find the rhyming word could. Right here. Let's do one more. I want you to find very. Right here. Good job. Okay, go get something to write on. Pause the video if you need to so you can get something to write on. Okay, let's do some words. So just like we did yesterday, we're going to say the word, tap the word. You're going to pause your video. And then at the end, I'll help you with making sure you got it right. So your first word is going to be belt. Belt, like I wear a belt. Tap belt. B-E-O-T. Belt. Pause it. Go write your word. All right, first grade, I'm going to double check with you. For B, you should have put a B. E is an E. O, L. And a T is a T. So here's my word belt. And now I need to mark it up. See if I can make it bigger. There we go. I need to mark it up. So when I mark it up, I'm going to double check. I see LT. And I know that that's not a diagraph. So I'm going to know that it's a blend. And a blend gets 2 lines. L gets a line and T gets a line. Because when I tapped out belt, I said O, T. They got their own sounds. They didn't have to share. You could have marked up the short vowel by putting a breve above it also. Okay, let's do yelp. Yelp. Tap it with me. Y-E-O-P. Yelp. Pause your video and write your word. Okay, yelp. That first sound is y, which is going to be a Y. E, O, L, P. There is yelp. Okay, see if I can make it bigger for us. Okay, let's mark it up. Do I need to do anything to the Y? No. The E? Well, let's figure out, is the E long or short? Eh. It's short, so it gets a breathe. L and P, they're not a digraph, so they are a blend. So they each get their own line. Perfect. Let's do another one. I want you to do shelf. Say that word, shelf. All right, tap it with me. Sh, o, f, shelf. Pause your video and write shelf. Okay, let's check your work. For shelf, the first sound is sh, which is an SH. E, O, L, F. So there is my shelf. When I mark it up, I see the SH at the beginning. Now, is SH a blend or is it a digraph? It is a digraph, so it gets one line. My E, is it long, gonna get a line, or is it short and gonna get a brief? It's short, it's gonna get a brief. My LF, is that another digraph? No, that's a blend. So it gets two lines because I tapped both of the sounds up. Awesome job. Okay, your last one that you're going to do is film. Tap out film. Film. Okay, let's check your last word, film. F-I-O-L-M. Oh, sorry. M. There is film. And let's mark it up. What do I need to do to the F? Not a thing. I. It's short, so it gets a breathe. LM is our blend or digraph. It's our blend. So it gets L gets a line and M gets a line. All right. Awesome job, first graders. That's all for today. Have a great day.